Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy updo using just 2 braids and 2 twists. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and I'm going to divide the top section in half and just secure each half with a ponytail. So take it from the ear to the middle of the back of the head and do this on the left hand side. Secure it into a ponytail, and then I'm just going to loosen up the top of the hair by pinching them slightly. This also adds a little bit of texture. Now I'm going to take those 2 ponytails and pop them on the top of the head for later, and with the remaining hair I'm going to divide this in half and we're going to create 2 more ponytails. So with that left hand section I'm just smoothing it out until I reach the ponytail above and securing it in with another elastic band. And then do the same on that right hand ponytail. So you should have 4 ponytails all meeting in the middle of the back of the head. Now starting with that top left ponytail, I'm just simply going to do a 3-strand braid, and I'm going to angle it down until it gets to the bottom right hand ponytail. Pinch and pull for fullness, and then I'm just going to secure it to that bottom right hand ponytail using a clear elastic band. Pinch and pull at that braid for more fullness, and then we're going to move on to that top right hand ponytail, and I'm just going to divide this in half and loosely wrap the sections around one another all the way to the end and secure it with an elastic band. Now I'm going to take this twist and I'm going to bring it over to the top left hand ponytail and secure in place, and then I'm just going to lift up those bottom ponytails and bring that twist all the way round until it comes back to the top right hand side. Now just secure that twist with as many bobby pins as needed all the way round the head. Next we're going to move on to the bottom right hand ponytail, and again I'm just going to do a simple 3-strand braid all the way to the bottom, secure it off with an elastic band and pinch and pull at the edges. And I'm going to take this braid and I'm going to bring it directly up to that top right hand ponytail and secure with a bobby pin or 2. I'm then going to bring the ends over to the left hand side and secure it with a bobby pin to that bottom left hand ponytail. To get rid of the part line at the bottom, just use a comb and just sweep it upwards towards that bun and then secure in place with an open bobby pin. So we're just going to work on that last ponytail, and again I'm going to split it in half and do a loose twist, and I'm going to secure that to itself on the bottom left hand side with a bobby pin, and then I'm going to bring it up and over to the right hand side using it to cover that last elastic band, pinning in place as I go. And then I'm just going to take the tail ends and I'm just going to bring them round underneath and tuck them underneath the bun and secure with another bobby pin. Spend a couple of minutes pinching and pulling and spray into place. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.